you ever felt people nodding along to your words but not truly trusting them? Respect doesn't vanish in a day. It leaks out through tiny choices we repeat without noticing. It's not your title, your salary, or your wardrobe that makes people listen. It's your habits. And some normal habits quietly close doors you don't even know exist. If you want your partner to rely on you, your team to follow you, and your children to look up to you, start by removing the habits that destroy your respect before they remove your opportunities. Welcome to Stoic Blend, where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Today, we're uncovering the top habits that destroy your respect and replacing them with clear, stoic practices you can use immediately at work, at home, and in the quiet moments only you see. In modern life, gossip often hides behind the excuse of casual talk. In a workplace break room or a family gathering, it spreads quickly. People laugh, but what lingers is doubt. Whoever gossips to you will gossip about you. Trust is broken quietly. Epictetus advised us not to repeat what is not necessary. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself to speak only what is true and useful. Seneca warned that energy spent analyzing others is energy stolen from improving ourselves. Respect fades when people sense you cannot be trusted. Replace gossip with a discipline of silence, with conversations that build and inspire, and with the courage to say, "That's not my story to tell." Respect collapses when your promises mean nothing. A manager who misses deadlines, a friend who cancels plans, a parent who doesn't show up. These patterns all teach the same lesson. This person's word cannot be trusted. Epictetus said, "First decide who you wish to be, then do what you must." Seneca taught that a person's word is more valuable than gold. Reliability is not created by grand promises, but by consistent actions. Show up on time. Deliver what you said you would. Communicate when things change. People do not expect perfection, but they expect consistency. When you keep your word, you keep your respect. Interrupting may seem small, but it tells others their voice is less important. Over time, this habit erodes dignity and creates distance. In meetings, at the dinner table, or in relationships, constant interruption signals impatience and self-centeredness. Epictetus reminded us we have 2 ears and 1 mouth to listen more than we speak. Marcus Aurelius practiced simplicity and calm in dialogue. Seneca taught that restraint is strength. Respect grows when you let others finish, when you pause before speaking, when you show that their words matter. Listening deeply is not passivity, it is presence. Complaining feels like release, but quickly becomes poison. A coworker who complains about every task drains the whole team. A partner who complains at every meal builds distance instead of connection. A parent who always sees the worst teaches children the same view. Seneca wrote, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Marcus urged himself to focus only on what is within his control. Epictetus said that events are neutral. Our judgments make them heavy. Replace complaint with action when you can, and acceptance when you cannot. Gratitude and constructive speech lift both yourself and those around you. Respect follows the one who carries steady energy. In a world of constant distraction, losing self-control is common. Endless scrolling, impulsive spending, bursts of anger, each one chips away at trust. Families, colleagues, and even your own conscience begin to see you as unreliable. Epictetus said no one is free who is not master of himself. Seneca wrote that courage and temperance create true freedom. Marcus trained himself daily to rule his impulses. Practice boundaries. No phones at meals, no promises you cannot keep, no words spoken in anger before a pause. Build simple disciplines. Walk daily. Manage spending. Drink water before coffee. Self-mastery is the foundation of respect, and without it, all other virtues fade. The habits that destroy your respect are gossip, unreliability, interrupting, complaining, and loss of self-control. Each of them may seem small, but together they erode trust and dignity. The Stoics remind us that respect is not demanded. It is earned in the smallest daily choices. If this message resonated with you, don't forget to like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Stoic Blend for more timeless wisdom. Thank you.